morning and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Obviously, I just woke up. My face is very puffy right now and I look very tired, but that's okay. We just woke up. What are we gonna do about it? I just got dressed and I'm heading to the gym. Let me show you my little workout outfit for today. I think it looks cute. Also, don't mind, my bed is not made. I'm wearing these green Lulu leggings, this little crop top, long sleeve crop top, and then a Lululemon sports bra. So I've been going to the gym for the past few days. I didn't go yesterday, but I did end up walking a ton yesterday and being on my feet a ton, so that's totally fine. I was still active during the day, but literally my legs hurt so bad. And if you guys have watched my last few days of Vlogmas, like, you'll know I didn't really work out. I just went to the gym and walked on the treadmill. The first time I walked at an incline of 12, speed of 3 for 30 minutes, but it wasn't like that hard and I didn't feel like I was sweating that much. Like, I feel like I could have pushed myself a bit more. So when I went the next day, I did a speed of 4 instead of 3 at an incline of 12 for 30 minutes and I really felt it. My legs are actually sore right now and it feels so good. Like, I'm loving it. So that's what I'm gonna do again. I think I'm just gonna go walk. I don't really feel like working out. I've been loving just walking, and then if I do feel like working out, I'll probably just do like a Pilates class at home. And then today is Monday, so we're gonna be cleaning up the apartment, tidying up because the apartment is a mess. So that's what we're gonna be doing. And that's pretty much what the day is gonna be. Like, I don't anticipate doing anything like glamorous or anything like that. It's Monday, we're resetting, and usually I would like do a week reset on the Sunday, but yesterday was a jam-packed day. If you've seen my vlog, it was a really short vlog, but we did a lot of stuff, so that's why it was short. I just did not have time to vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna clean the apartment today and we'll see what else I get up to. But like I said, today is a week reset day. We're gonna clean the entire apartment, go to the gym first, eat breakfast, and I'm excited. So let's go to the gym. I've been talking for way too long already, so let's go. Oh my god, you guys, today is such a cold day outside. Like, do you guys see that? Oh my god. Sorry, my memory card was full, just had to delete some footage, but oh my god, it is freezing outside. Oh my god, like, my car is gonna need so long to warm up, and the gym is 2 minutes away. But I would not walk in this temperature. Like, it's 2-minute drive away, but like, it's easily like a good 15-minute walk, which is like, it's not far, it's a good walk, but when it's this cold outside, I think not. Like, imagine like being all sweaty from your workout and then having to walk in this cold. Like, I don't think that's good. It's probably a good way to get sick. So we're gonna take the car, we're gonna let it warm up. Anyways, Alex is using it this afternoon, so at least it'll be like pre-warmed up for when he leaves the apartment. I'm cold. Anyways, I'm gonna let my car warm up, listen to some music while it warms up, and then head to the gym and talk to you afterwards. What is up? I just made breakfast. I'm back home from the gym. I don't know if I vlogged when I got back home. I don't think so. So I'm back from the gym. I just made a breakfast. I made another little breakfast burrito and I'm super excited. I still got a lot of avocado to finish. I might be eating this for a few days. So this is what it looks like this morning. It's a little bit less exciting than it was a few days ago because there's no bacon in it and I didn't put cheese in it this morning. But I did substitute the bacon with ham and onions, which I think is going to be super yummy. So I'm gonna eat breakfast, and while I eat breakfast, I'm gonna finish a vlog that I started earlier, and then I'm gonna edit my video this morning so I'm not super late in the day to edit. So I'm gonna do that, and then this afternoon we'll be doing a whole apartment cleanup, which is going to be very exciting. All right, so it's been a little while, but I'm currently drinking my coffee, almost done, and I finished eating breakfast. Alex is gone. He had his last exam today. Last exam is due today, and then he's doing one more project and he's done his semester. I'm so excited for him to be done with his semester. This end of semester has been, I believe, one of the hardest ones for him so far, so I'm so excited for him to be done. Also, why am I not focused? This camera has been giving me so much trouble recently. I don't know why it just like won't stay focused, but that's besides the point. I'm going to make some soup because I've got a few things that I need to like get out of the fridge before they go bad and use up. So I'm gonna make some soup for my lunches, well, me and Alex's lunches this week, and then I'm gonna start cleaning. I'm super excited. So let's do it. I think I'm gonna make like just a regular like chicken, rice, veggie soup. I think that's gonna be really yummy. So I'm gonna make that right now and then we're gonna clean up. It's almost 1 o'clock, which is not too bad. And I'm happy with how my day has gone so far. I just posted an Instagram and a TikTok. I'm super excited about this TikTok that I posted. I feel like it's super aesthetic. It could definitely use some work, but it turned out so cute. So I'm gonna keep working towards making more TikToks like that because I think that it turned out really, really cute. It could be so much better. So let's perfect it. But I'm very excited. So if you guys are interested in following me, I'll have my TikTok and Instagram link down below. They always are. So if you're interested, follow me down below. I'm super excited. So let's go make some soup. I just made myself a snack. I have a pita bread and some hummus. I also just heated up some soup, so I'm gonna eat a bowl of soup, and it is 3:20. I cannot believe it is 3:20. I tried vacuuming most of the apartment, but the vacuum keeps dying because it wasn't fully charged. So I'm gonna have to like wait for it to fully charge, and then I'll be able to finish vacuuming. But other than that, everything is pretty much done. And sorry if you guys can hear Alex, he's actually on a call with his dad right now. But yeah, I just have to finish vacuuming. I wish I could be done by now, because I really could be done by now, but the vacuum just wasn't charged. So like, what am I gonna do, right? Also, everything just closed in Quebec, literally everything, because of Omicron, the new variant of COVID, which really sucks. I honestly didn't think that it would come back to this point, and I cannot believe that just when the holidays are hitting, everything is closing again. It really, really, really sucks. Like, borderline, I'm mad about it, but like, there's nothing to do about it. It is what it is, and we just have to deal through it and live through it, and I'm hoping eventually we'll get out of it, but it is the reality of the world right now. So everything just closed, which really, really sucks. Well, like everything. Yeah, literally everything. Like anything that's an activity has closed. Like movie theaters, the gym. Malls are at 50% capacity, which is not that bad, but at the same time, like, it just sucks. Everything just sucks. Also, we were supposed to be allowed to be 20 at family gatherings for Christmas, and now we can't. We can only be 10, which isn't a big deal, because for most of the Christmas parties that we're doing, we were just gonna be 10 or less. But for some others, we were supposed to be more than 10. So that really sucks. Ugh. I'm over COVID. I don't want to deal with this anymore. We're going to think positive. We're going to finish cleaning. We're going to take it one day at a time. We got out of it last year. We're going to get out of it this year too. So that's fine. One day at a time. I'm going to finish my cleaning, finish my lunch, and I'll talk to you later. All right, we're in the kitchen, and I'm making guacamole for Alex's dinner. We're both eating separate things because he's having leftovers and I'm having soup. So he's having this kind of like burrito bowl that I made a few days ago, so he's gonna eat that up since it needs to be eaten before it goes bad. But I don't have enough guac for him. This is like how much guac I have left. So I have half an avocado right here, and I'm gonna make a guac, and I thought I would bring you guys along and show you how I make my guac. Okay, so first off, we're gonna chop some red onion very, very finely. So we want it to be really, really small pieces, because I put this in the guac. So next I've got this half of an avocado. Yes, it's a bit brown, but like it's still good. We're gonna use it, and I'm gonna put it in the guac that I've already made. Like, it's literally super green on the inside. All right, we're gonna smush up the avocado. All right, next we're gonna add in the red onions. Then I mix the red onions in. All right, so next I'm gonna add in some lemon juice. some garlic powder. And I always add some red chili flakes just for a little kick. I don't put too much of this. A bit of salt and some pepper. And just like that, we've got some really nice guac. This is so good. And it's going in Alex's burrito bowl. And then if there's extra, which I think there will be, I'm gonna have some with some Tostito chips. It's gonna be so good. Oh my god, yum. I'm excited to eat now. I hope there's guac left because I really want to eat Tostito chips. That's gonna be really good. I'm also very excited to eat some soup because you guys know how I feel about soup. I could eat soup every single day of the year. I love soup. So we are sitting down now and we are watching Santa Claus. And Santa Claus has got to be my all-time favorite Christmas movie, or maybe not my favorite. I think last time I said it was Elf. But I think my favorite movie would be like Elf, Santa Claus, for sure. Like those two are like in the tops.
They're
for
two
sure.
Classics, you know?
They're like two classics. That and The Grinch. I really love.
Well, The Grinch, yeah.
Yeah, I like Elf, Santa Claus, and The Grinch. And we're finally watching Santa Claus. It took us so long to watch it because there's 3 movies. And I think you said
I wanted to wait until I was done
with school.
Before
we watched it.
Before we watched them. So now I'm done officially today.
Almost.
My last
You
exam.
still have a project.
I have a little project, but I'm almost done my project.
Just a project. He's done going to school. Like no more going to school.
No more exam either.
Just has to do his project and then he's done.
Exactly.
Which is really exciting.
Feels good.
I'm sure. So we're watching Santa Claus. We're gonna eat dinner and probably decorate some Christmas cookies, right?
Yes.
Because we've been saying that we're gonna do that, or I've been
week long.
Yeah, I've been telling the vlog that we're gonna decorate cookies for like 5 days or something like that. I don't know how long it's been, but it's been a while. So I think it's been since Friday. And now we're finally gonna decorate them, so I'm really excited. Obviously I did decorate cookies with my cousin yesterday, but that was kind of like a warm up. Now I'm ready to like decorate them with Alex. We're gonna have a lot of fun with it, I think. It's gonna be fun. I'll show you the final result, or maybe the during, but we might be watching a Christmas movie while we decorate them, so I'll show you definitely what they look like afterwards. But we're gonna eat dinner. And how was the guac? Because I made the guac. It's good guac, huh? You guys need to try that guac recipe out. It is my all-time favorite. I love it. It's not really a recipe. I just like, that's just how I figured out to make guac. That's just how I make it. So there's no recipe. Just put the things that I put in and it'll be amazing. Look at our cookies. They're so cute. We decorated, well, at least Alex decorated one of each.
One of each.
I decorated 2 gingerbread men, but other than that, I did one of each also. And they turned out so cute. I love them. I love how festive they look with like the green, the white, and the red. Very, very Christmas and very, very pleased. I don't know what else to vlog.
So right now we're watching.
We're
gonna continue watching Santa Claus, and I'll update you guys later.
Good job, Alex. You just spoke for me. Because I wasn't sure what to say. I'm like, I don't know what to say. So he told me what to say. So we're gonna stick with that.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm just gonna continue the movie and
talk to you later.
That's it.
Bye guys. What is up? I'm currently editing this vlog and I noticed that I never ended it off, so I'm here to end it off. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.